Good evening, guys. I hope you guys had a great day. For a while I've been considering changing my both front fenders, and then I kind of procrastinated on them, though I have these spare ones from the 84 Trans Am that we took apart last December. And what made the things and the matter worse is the other day when I got the ramps, and it was my first time getting the car on the ramps. As soon as car got onto the flat part of the ramp, I just couldn't push the brake in time, and car went over it, and this part right here got pretty badly crunched in. And I mean, I'll show you that on the car. But then I was thinking, what to do, and all of a sudden realized that I have these fenders that I've been thinking about putting them on, and now I have a better reason to change them. So here it is. There's a piece of rusted metal here, as you can see. So I put WD-40 in it, and I'm gonna let it soak tonight, and probably sometime during the day tomorrow, and then I'll come and try to undo the bolt and take it off. There's a bit, I don't know if you can see, but there's a bit of a dent here on this, like you can see right there, and this is from the past, so maybe something similar happened and it got pushed in, but not as bad as mine, because mine got really bad crunch in it. And now that I put a little hammer and wood on it just to see, man, these things are strong. They are strong metal. They are not flimsy thin sheet metal. So yeah, so I'm gonna take this bolt out, and then probably go through the hole, take the hood off, take the hinges off, take the left outer fender out, and then install this guy in on the car. So the beauty of it, it has this air vent already made into it, so all I had to do is put a plastic piece, which I have, and I'll have the air vents, because this was the main reason why I got these fenders in the first place, because my car doesn't have them. So yeah, this is it. And another thing happening, another evaluation happening, and one step at a time, and she's getting close to becoming a full-scale Night Rider car. Take care, guys. Good night.